Hi, I'm Lee Marshall-Say, the grounds manager at Eton College. We're here at the Knowledge Lab powered by Turf Business. This is the second event following the inauguration one from last year. Been a good day, plenty going on, lots of sponsorship, lots of people visiting from plenty of schools, and lots of progress being made since our first initial conversation back in 2019.
Right, so I'm here at Eton School today. I've been running workshops for groups of school groundsmen. Just the opportunity to give back, really, to give some little snippet of advice to somebody. If something I've said in the 45-minute sessions I've gone in has helped somebody along the way, then I feel I've done my job, and that's the main opportunity for me and the reason why I'm here today.